Ano nga bikon mga krustas bungadlaw? Way man ko brown eh. Lagaw-lagaw, titistingan tabi ang ilang ano de. Nga River Thames Cruise kung nami man ang view sa suba nila. Bati ko daw nami ko ng view eh. So, testingan ta eh. Ilang taon ta kung Mayo man. Punto mo sa akon. Suka bla ko. Grabe ang sulog ang ano suba. Grabe ka sulog. Daw tsokolate yung tsura ba? Westminster Bridge na siya. Subong. Tapos na to sa Piaka ang ano, ang London Eye. Tapos diri ang Westminster Parliament. Ang Big Ben, famous nga Big Ben, pero ginobra pa siguro. Ginaulat ang ano, misaka. Muling sulod yung galiw. May sulod yung saka, sa mabababaw. Hindi ato kay naisipon. Uy, musta ni musta ano guwapo kay magaling na makita mo ganda na naligalupad mga pispis yung masino guwapo. Lovely. Gusto niyo pa rin mangita man. There you go. We're crossing to the River Thames. Ay na kami galakat ng baruto na mo.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Millennium City. That's a boat you're travelling on today. We're just heading over to Waterloo Pier to pick up a few more passengers. When we leave Waterloo Pier, I'll get back on a microphone. I'll give you a safety announcement, and then I'll give you a couple of options as we proceed down the river to Tower Pier. You can use this time to use the restrooms, which are located at the back of the boat. We do have 2 fully licensed bars either side of the boat, so please make use of those. As I said, once we leave Waterloo Pier, I'll get back on a microphone. I'll give you a safety announcement.
Itong man. Libot lang siya. Wow. Grabe yung view. Shit. Grabe. Sa lakay tanal sa may dito Thailand na ako kasi hapon na siya. Lagi na damo na ako sa mga Thailand na sakay. Sa lakay sumong sa building ano. Sige na isaka pa ka mo ni. Oh, wow. Simuli ka mo kaya. Wow. Ang view. Super. Ito, narainip sa tubang to. Narainip sa tubang to ba? Guwapo kalbo mo to ba? Guwapo. Yung super. Sus. Guwapo panganod.
Aquarium and London Dungeon. Right next to that, I'm sure you've all noticed, is the London Eye, the Millennium Wheel. Put up in the year 2000. Down on the permit to be up for 5 years. Nearly 20 years later, she's still tied in as one reason only. money. She said on a summer's day she can generate up to £250,000 worth of profit. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Welcome aboard the Millennium City for your evening cruise
Ngayong hapon.
down to Tower Pier. As we leave each pier, I'm going by law to give you a quick safety announcement. Next to that, cladded in scaffold, you have the clock tower, which many of us call Big Ben. I myself call this Big Ben. However, its name is the Elizabeth Tower. Big Ben is the 13.5-ton bell housed inside of the tower. The name changed in 2012 for the Queen's Jubilee, 60th year in reign of the country. As we're turning round and came second, we go underneath Waterloo Bridge. Waterloo Bridge is known on the river as a ladies' bridge. During World War II, it had to be restored. 80% of the
Wow. Gwapong building. Gwapa man sinili sa lubang ko. Gwapo tsura.
The electronic screen is our National Theatre. Now, since it's been built, it has been voted the ugliest building
Gwapa ka ni.
on the river wall by
Wow.
the architects. Prince Charles himself said it's a perfect way to describe a nuclear reactor in the heart of London. But the old saying, don't judge a book by its cover, definitely applies to this building. There's 3 of the finest auditoriums in the world.
Wow.
The biggest being the Olivier Auditorium, seating 2,500 people. It's named after the founder, Laurence Olivier. On the left, you have a black and white boat called St. Catherine. It used to be the royal barge. So any business royal family had on the Thames, they used to sail up and down the Thames on that barge. It's now a restaurant and bar. I do highly recommend this restaurant, as you could be sat having dinner somewhere where the Queen once sat. Still to the left, we have the bright ship with the HQS Wellington,
Yeah, we
which was
just
an
that.
old New Zealand warship in World War II. It is now home to the Honourable Waterman, Honourable Master Mariners Club. A Master Mariner is a captain at sea. You have to be a captain at sea for at least 10 years to be eligible for this club. President of this club is the Queen's husband, Prince Philip. Still to the left, you can see the archway. The figurehead on top. The figurehead is owned by the Thames. This is marking the
Most
boundary
kalboy.
to the city of Westminster, which we just left. We're now entering the city of London. Two silver griffins on either side of the road. Each entry to the city of London has these silver griffins. Now, put there to warn off any evil spirits entering the city of London. Here on our right, you have the red brick building. This is the old Oxo Tower. It used to be owned by the Oxo Cube manufacturer. This is where they produced all the Oxo Cubes. But now, it's taken over. The bottom floor, art galleries and shops. The middle is unaffordable apartments. At the top, it's a very posh restaurant owned by the designer Harvey Nichols. It's been voted one of the best restaurants in London, one of the top 5 since it's opened. Coming up on the left, you have a building with a green sloped roof. This is the old City of London School for Boys, and many of our Prime Ministers, MPs, have gone to school here. Winston Churchill himself went to school at the old City of London School. However, he got chucked out 2 months later for fighting, then went on to be educated in an English school called Eton. Now we're coming up to Blackfriars. This is a group of bridges. First you have the Blackfriars Road Bridge, opened by Queen Victoria. In the middle, between the bridges, you have red columns. These are the remains of the original Blackfriars Rail Bridge. This was the first ever rail bridge to span over the Thames. But due to the weight of the new trains, they used this bridge anymore, but they took the top of the bridge. And then the columns there was in place instead of getting the foundations for the rail bridge.
Twin bridge. Bali doble.
This bridge cost £500 million to build. On our right, we have Thames Modern Art Museum. It used to be the Bankside Power Station. This is the biggest modern art museum in Europe, and it is completely free and open to all. Now, if you do enjoy your art, then please look over to the left, dominating the skyline, the St Paul's Cathedral. Standing at 365 foot tall, that's 1 foot for every day of the year. It is the second biggest freestanding dome in the world. The biggest being in St Paul's, the Vatican City in Rome. This took Christopher Wren, the architect, 37 years to build. See we're going up. Tower here. After Tower Pier, we will be going to Westminster. Bit of safety information.
Sus Maria ng
Everybody trying to
inami.
take a photo of themselves, but
No
everybody
tourist
remain
na.
seated
Cruise.
until we get alongside the pier.
Wala mangita.
Because if this boat does bump, I don't want you to spoil your day by falling over.
Grabe.
Please remember to take everything with you when you're getting off the boat. Remember your bags, your wallets, your mobile phone. Don't spoil your day by leaving it.
So this is the end of cruising River Thames. Madamo nga salamat sa pagpunyo sa akon. Mayong gabi kabay pa nga nag-enjoy ka mo.